Good morning, everyone. I thought once in a while I'd kind of give a weekly outlook, and if there's something interesting going on, maybe jump in. I think I might have the opportunity to do that this week. We'll be a little bit cool this morning, but we have a nice afternoon in store with temperatures reaching the middle 60s. We'll be a little bit breezy because we always are in Monument, but all things considered, I think we just have some passing clouds and a pretty comfortable wind today. Jump ahead to Wednesday. This is where it gets fun. College of DuPage is a nice site. You can access it yourself sometime if you're really interested in all this weather model stuff. But the bottom line is the little purple dot is where Monument exists. And as we move into noon on Wednesday, there's a bunch of cold air coming into northern Colorado. Over southern Colorado, it will probably be in the 70s and 80s, at least early in the day. But that colder air is going to race southward, and as it comes in, we're expecting a lot of wind. So the problem then becomes whether or not we get some snow. And the same computer model forecasts are showing the snow in the blue area that you see there coming in right about that time that the front arrives at noon or so. So if that were to be the case, it might actually start out as a little bit of rain. There could even be a little thunder. But you see the darker pockets of blue? That's an indication of a burst of heavy snow that could be accompanied by some very strong wind. I'm not so sure it's going to last terribly long, but it might mean at least for a couple of hours things get pretty interesting. So we'll stay real warm through Tuesday, though the wind will be on the increase, and there might even be some talk of fire weather concerns for Tuesday. But Wednesday starts mild. Don't get lulled. The wind will be really annoying, but pretty soon it'll get much colder with that rain and possibly some thunder changing to snow. So I think there's a chance we get a brief period of slick travel sometime during the day on Wednesday into Wednesday evening. Could be very poor visibility, for example, too. And then through the end of the week, it looks to stay pretty cool. There might be a few flurries here and there, but once we get through Wednesday, I don't think we'd have to worry about accumulating snow. This won't be the blizzard that came through a few weeks ago, but it might produce a period of some whiteout conditions if the snow falls heavily enough and if we can manage to squeeze a few inches out of it. And that's something we'll be watching real closely. I'll jump back in probably tomorrow night and let you know how that's going to look. In the meantime, thanks for taking some time to watch, and I hope you have a great week.